Hey everybody, and welcome back. My name is Sue and I'm from OML Embroidery, and today in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new add-on for Embrilliance called Merrowly. So let me explain to you why I love Embrilliance so much. Merrowly, it's hard to say actually. I want to say Merrowly. I use Embrilliance, of course, it goes on PC and it goes on Mac. And I use it to send my designs to the Luminaire. Why do I use Embrilliance for that? Because it always works. The other thing that I love about Embrilliance is, of course, the AccuQuilt connection. That is also an add-on, and I love it. I love my AccuQuilt, and I love having software that works with it perfectly and it's easy to do. So I'm so excited about this. Now let's go to the website, embrilliance.com. Okay, so you can see Merrowly, it's already advertised here. Make sure you use my special link, by the way, every little bit helps. So we're going to go to fonts and collections, and it's right here, Merrowly Patches. And it's a new product and it's amazing. So you get all of this with it. So it's $199. I'm sure there's sales on and everything, but look at this patch. It's amazing and it's so easy to create. You won't believe it. So you get all of these fonts. This one I think is probably my favorite. And you get all of these pre-done shapes, which are done absolutely perfectly. Like the corners are done properly, the whole bit. And all these, there's still more. There's tons that you can do. Amazing. So these ones I really love. And let's keep going because there's more. Look at these sports ones. Oh, I love it. I love it. One's more sports that you can just fill in, and special ones. These are military ones, which is awesome. But look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. And believe it or not, this is so easy to create. Now look at this. Text above, text below. To me, that's an absolutely perfect patch. Look at this one. This is super easy to do. You won't believe how easy that is to do. And you can do multiple of them too. So I am so thrilled. So you can read about it, how you can make patches. You can run a business making patches. You can make designs if you want. So there's 3 ways that Embrilliance offers these patches. So freestanding, create with a fill, directly on yardage. So you cut the patches out after the edge is done, and applique. So that's perfect. So many designs. Look at these tiny fonts. You have to use different thread, but it's awesome. So all of these have the envelopes built in, so you just basically type the letters and it's done. This is what we're talking about. Names with one, just click the text, make adjustments, type in your name and hit enter. And that is literally all that it's it's amazing. Merge and save machine embroidery design files from virtually any source. That means you can bring in any of your files and make it into a patch. This is a big thing right here. Export cut files. I'm going to be doing videos on this. I'm going to make a whole series out of this. So it's fun. There's so many things. Well over 100 shapes, 2 fonts, block, small. It's awesome. So let's take a look at how the basics and how easy this is to do. So I've been playing around with it, of course. This just makes me laugh. Ironing boards are surfboards that gave up their dreams. So I'll be putting that up for you guys for free so you can test out the Merrowing Edge. It's awesome. So let's go right here. Now this I did in 3 clicks. So I'm going to show you guys how I did this. So I can, let's go to a new one, new page. So I'm going to start off with lettering. So I am just simply going to put, how about we'll do it bigger. So we'll do OML embroidery. There we go. And hit enter. And that looks great. Perfect. I always do that in Embrilliance. I move stuff around. I need to be clicking here and then moving. So that, I mean, okay, that's fine. We've got all of our fonts, and if you look down here, you notice that they're named Merrowly. So I think that's an easy way of finding them. So let's pick something really cute. Let's try this one. And way too big, that's my fault. We can change the size, we can change the curve, we can do everything. Let's try coast. There we go. I like that a lot. So how do you make a patch out of this? Well, it's pretty easy. I'm going to go into Stitch Artist 1, 2, and 3, and right here you can just click on it. Are you ready? There we go. And how cool is that? Isn't that awesome? So you can make any shaped patch. You can bring in the pre-done, or you can bring in an embroidery design and click that. How cool is that? Now there's lots more to it. There's many things that you can do. So I have edge, and look what you can do here. Cut when complete, using pre-cut, hand cut in the hoop, create using fill, and add a light fill. So if you're going to do using pre-cut, then you can export the outlines and have your cutter cut the fabric out for you, so then you just do it as an applique. So there's so many options and so many ideas, but it really works well. So let's try one with a shape. So I'm going to go to new page, and then I'm going to go right here, merge design, which is one of my favorite places to be, and it's a drop down, and you can see it, Merrowly. And just give it a sec to come in, and now we have access to all of these pre-done shapes. Now you can resize the shapes. You can you got to be careful about making them too small, but look at all of these shapes. So let's pick my favorite shape, which is a hexagon. Click OK and check the size. 3 by 2, that sounds fantastic. And we're just going to leave that there, and then you can put lettering, you can put a design in the middle of it, you can do anything that you want. So I will just be super fancy here, and I'm going to call up my other favorite, which is the AccuQuilt right here. So AccuQuilt, let's do applique because they're awful cute. And just wait for a sec for that to come in. My computer's busy doing tons and tons of things. Well, it didn't want to do that. There it is. Okay. So we can, let's pick a die that I have. The flowers. Perfect. So let's pick this one. It's kind of groovy. And of course, that's going to be too big. Now, the thing with AccuQuilt is that they're set dies. So you can't change the size of that design. But you can change the size of your patch. So you can use AccuQuilt and make a patch like this. And that was super easy. You can go and cut out as many of these flowers that you want. I love it. I really love it. So that was easy to do anything like that. So I brought in a design and I made a patch around it. So I'm really excited about this. We are going to do a lot of things with this set. I think we can have a ton of fun making patches. I'm thinking vinyl, I'm thinking organza, I'm also thinking, are you ready for this? Because I think it's going to be really cool. How about using mylar? I think a mylar patch would look amazing. Also metallic threads and different backgrounds. I'm so excited about this. So this is just the introduction. This is part 1 of the series. We are going to be making patches. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this video. There's a link in the description that you can use if you have any questions. Go to the OML Embroidery University Facebook group and we can figure it out. Let's make patches. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!